Hey, Don I here, your insurance guy. Did you know that October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month? Well, I'm here to give you a few cyber tips. Want to hear something really scary? Meet Data Jack Drac-ula. No account or profile or document is safe from this pale gold. Your information is valuable, and he wants to suck up every last piece that he can. To guard against this, protect yourself using strong passwords and proper encryption. A little garlic and a wooden stake wouldn't hurt either. A strong password is unique to that specific account and has at least 12 characters, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, symbols, and numbers. Unsure if you could remember all of your passwords? Check out a password manager like KeePass or LastPass. I use them and I love them. They'll lock up your passwords tighter than Dracula's coffin.